In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger a webhook in make.com. If you're new to Make, a quick note before we start. A webhook is a special URL that listens for incoming data from another app or service. When that data arrives, it can kick off an automation in Make, which Make calls a scenario. With that in mind, let's set one up from scratch. First, open your browser and go to make.com. Once the dashboard loads, we'll build a fresh automation so the webhook can be the starting point. Click Create a Scenario. A scenario in Make is your automation canvas, a space where you link modules together to perform tasks. Starting with a clean scenario helps you clearly see how the webhook fits in as the trigger for everything that follows. On the blank canvas, click the plus icon in the center. This is how you add your first module. Make presents a searchable list of available modules and services so we can pick exactly what we need. In the search bar, type webhooks, then select the webhooks module. This is Make's built-in tool for receiving data from external sources. Choosing the correct module here ensures your scenario can be triggered by an incoming HTTP request instead of, say, a scheduled timer or an app event. From the list of options, select the trigger called Custom Webhook. In Make, a trigger is what starts a scenario. The custom webhook trigger is the one that gives you a unique URL that other systems can send data to, which is perfect for flexible integrations. Now click Create a Webhook. A small dialog will appear. Give your webhook a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple webhooks across different scenarios. Naming conventions help a lot when you revisit your automations. Finally, click Save. Make will generate a unique webhook URL and display it in the module. At this point, your scenario is ready to receive data at that address. You'll also see that Make is prepared to capture a sample payload when something hits the webhook, which helps you map fields in later modules if you choose to build out the rest of the workflow. Keep this URL private and as anyone who has it can send data to your scenario. That's it. Your custom webhook trigger is set up and ready. In just a few clicks, you've created a reliable entry point for external systems to start your Make scenario. Thanks for watching and happy building.